Hello everyone. Hello.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good
Good
afternoon.
afternoon, ma'am.
Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
will. I'll share the sheet first. We'll see which group is now due. Huh?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Up to 64, 65 we are through. Huh? So 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Are they there present, everyone? Are they present? Roll number 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Are they present?
And they are in another lecture. They will be coming shortly.
Okay, okay. We'll wait for them. Huh?
We had an FP lecture, so ma'am isn't there. Which she was going to take our lecture, but she isn't there, so they will join us now here. We have sent message on the group.
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, could you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Yes. Are you there, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
To whom should I give the rights now as a host?
8067, Ayush Tripathi.
Ayush Tripathi. Okay. Yes, I have given you the rights.
Yes, ma'am. I can notice that.
Yeah.
Thank you. So good afternoon, ma'am. I'm the
Your
group leader
screen
of role.
is not visible.
Okay, yeah, just a second. I don't know. Just a second, ma'am. I'm
Yeah, yeah.
not really familiar with
Take your
this,
own
so
time.
yeah. Ma'am, there seems to be some issue in my phone that. Okay, yeah, never mind.
You please post it, share it with someone else so that they will project it.
Okay. Can you see my screen now?
Yeah, but yeah, I can see now.
All right. So, good afternoon, ma'am.
Good
I'm the group
afternoon.
leader, 66 to 70. Our presentation is on air pollution with case study on Delhi. All my teammates and I have worked really hard on it, and I hope you find it informative yet entertaining. Prasad will take over from here. These are our group members, and here is it. So he'll begin now.
Okay, so uh, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Prasad. My roll number is 8066. So, as we know that nowadays we are hearing about global warming, melting of ice cap, rise in sea level. If this don't stop, human will get extinct. India has most polluted cities on earth. One of the main causes of global warming is air pollution. We will see that we will see what causes air pollution, and we'll take Delhi, that is national capital of India, as an example in detail. The reason we take Delhi as case study because Delhi is at 11th rank in the world in most polluted cities in India and world. Main causes of air pollution. Main causes are pollution created by vehicles, stubble burning by father farmers surrounding the states around Delhi, firecrackers in Diwali season, industrial pollution, and many more. India is discussing the issue for nearly 2 decades, but no solid steps have been taken. As we know that in India, air pollution is referred to as silent and fifth largest killer. Of late, the air pollution status in Delhi has undergone many changes in terms of level of pollutants and the control measure taken to reduce them. Delhi's air quality index generally hovers from moderate to worse. It is really satisfactory and never good. As we see the image here, the tower and the smog around it, so we cannot see the picture clearly. Next slide. Also, things went out of the hands when Supreme Court of India had to intervene on November 2017. As we know that the Supreme Court issued the order to the authorities and the people of Delhi to take into consideration the issue of the air pollution because it's more dangerous for future generation and also for the environment purpose. Here in picture we can see that heavy smog engulfed the national capital region a day after Diwali. This is a photo from Hindustan Times. So in this picture there is a smog, not fog. Smog is the addition of smoke plus fog. So that's it. And my friends will take over from here.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Rajnikant Muri, and I'm here to present you the causes of air pollution in Delhi. As we know, ma'am, Delhi is surrounded by states like Punjab and Uttar Pradesh, which are a major contributor in the crop production in our country. So, the rice stubbles in Punjab, Haryana, and Uttar Pradesh are burnt in order to produce new crops. So the pollution created by them uh, and and the particles, uh, as we know, in 2015 Delhi's air pollution conducted by IIT Kanpur states that 17 to 26% of the particulate matter in Delhi in winters is because of biomass burning or the stubble burning. Last year, during the peak stubble burning incident, its distribution rose to 40%. Here is a picture that farmers in Punjab have been burning the crop to clear their fields. Next slide, please. During the second reason is during the March, the months of winters, it is smog that affect the visibility to the great extent. As we know, the smog is created due to the particulate matter which gets trapped due to the cold air. Dry cold weather means dust in prevalent in the entire region, which does not see many rainy days between October to June. Just pollution contributes to 56 of particulate matter 10 and the PM 2.5 load at 59 ton per decimeter. The top contributor being road, 38% of the particulate matter 2.5 concentration. Next slide, please. So, madam, here we collected some data regarding to the smog in the Delhi. As you can see in the graphs, we shown the pollution concentration of pollutants in Delhi over 2070 to 2020. As you can see, Delhi has the highest pollution among the other cities in India. And this report is given by the World Air Quality Index. Next slide, please. The main contributor to the pollution in Delhi is the vehicular pollution. Vehicular pollution is the second biggest cause of pollution in winters. According to the IIT Kanpur study, 20% of PM 2.5 in winters came from the vehicular pollution. During the lockdown this year, Delhi saw among the cleanest air since comparative records have been kept since 2015. It also saw above coverage temperature in September, which meant that the air remained cleaner for longer. Next slide, please. Some other reasons for the air pollution in Delhi are the overpopulation in Delhi. Like as we know, as a report says that 90% of the Delhi people in Delhi uses LPG, but 10% still depend upon the wood and the dung for the sake of energy. So, and less investing in people in public infrastructure is another reason for the air pollution in India. In India, investment in public transport and infrastructure is low, which leads to the congested roads and hence air pollution. As I would like to add another point, like the Bardarpur power plant, which was a thermal power plant, it was in closed on 15th October 2018 due to its, as Prasad said, the great smog of Delhi was in 2017. The Bardarpur power plant was the main culprit behind it. And the industrial population and the garbage dumps are also increasing air pollution in building up the smog in the air. So now I would like to hand over to Ayush, who will tell us the effects of air pollution. Thank you.
Thank you, Rajni. That was really helpful. Now let's talk about the impact and effects of air pollution in Delhi. So, as you can see, in children and adults, both short and long-term exposures to ambient air pollution can lead to reduced lung function, respiratory infections, and aggravated asthma. According to a report by World Health Organization, revealed the breathing in toxic air kills about 600,000 children every year. This is how many children died from lower respiratory infections caused by air pollution in just 2016 alone. Now, obviously I can keep on going on about this, and you can notice from the picture that particular metric of 2.5 is also associated with adverse cardiovascular and respiratory and mortality outcomes, and it's just getting worse year by year, ma'am. The WHO report found that 9 out of 10 people are breathing polluted air, which is causing premature deaths every year. Seen in this photo, you can actually see the prominent cardiovascular surgeon, Dr. Naresh Trehan, is the lung of a person from Himachal Pradesh, which is supposed to be green and clean, and that of a person from New Delhi, which is famous for its air pollution. Now, these are some more facts I can tell you about, which is maternal exposure, which causes low birth weight, preterm birth, and small gestation age. And then here are some other stats. Like last July, Greenpeace had said that 28 global cities studied. Delhi bore the highest economic cost of air pollution, with an estimated loss of 24,000 lives in the first half of 2020, despite a strict COVID-19 lockdown. So even COVID-19 lockdown couldn't prevent anything. Now, these are the various studies that had happened over the years. The study was done by the scientist name in the left, and that was the year of study they had done it. The variable is pretty much self-explanatory, and the findings were as drastic as possible. So if I would take Jaya Ram from 2008, who had done a variable on outdoor air, he found that 10 microgram per meter cube rise in pollutant level led to statistically significant relative risks for respiratory morbidity. And here, if I have to go ahead, I can talk about Agarwal in 2006, who studied outdoor air. And even he concluded that SPM and RSPM showed a significant positive correlation with the number of COPD cases. Winter months had higher risk. Now, ma'am, I can keep on talking about this, but this would just be much more sad to talk about. So let's talk about the measures taken against air pollution in Delhi, which would be something much more positive to look forward to. I will hand over to Yash now.
So hello, good afternoon, madam and everyone. My name is Yash Aire. First of all, thanks Rajnikant, Prasad and Ayush for your valuable information. Till now, we have talked about the causes and its case study done by our group. Now I'm going to tell you about the remedies, or we can say that the acts that were actually decided by the Delhi government. First of all, I'm going to tell you about the acts. The first act was decided by Delhi government is introduction to the unleaded petrol. Second act in 1998. Second act was catalytic converter in passenger cars. Third act was reduction of sulfur content in diesel. And fourth one was reduction of benzene content in fuel. As we know, the sulfur and benzene, when react with the atmospheric air, it burns out a very harmful pollutant which affect the purity, which affect the air. The next step for the smooth traffic flow, Delhi government decided to make a flyovers and subway, and also the introduction to the metro rail and CNG for commercial transport vehicles. In the CNG transport vehicles, it includes buses, taxis, and auto rickshaw. Also, there is a phasing out of the old commercial vehicles. As we know that old commercial vehicles do not include the technologies like CNG or other modern technology. And also there is one, the main act, this is called as a pollution under control certificate with 3-month validity. It is the main act that had decided by the Delhi government. In the next to it, you can see the picture of the flyover and very effective smooth traffic flow. Next slide, please.
Can you cut short, please? I told you that you have to finish it in 8 minutes. Already 12 plus minutes are over. You just pass on, only brief the slides instead of reading it, please. Huh?
Okay. As we all know, the trees are the excellent source of air purifier. So Delhi government plans a tree plantation policy of which mandates 80% of trees affected by the construction. In this act, it includes that if the constructor side cut down the one tree, they have to plant a 10 sapling because of their they were cutting that one tree, so they have to plant 10 tree instead of one tree. Next slide, please. The next one, but one of the best and in future way to control the air pollution is the introduction to the EV policy. EV means electrical vehicle policy. The government is providing the subsidies and incentives on their purchase to promote a large scale adoption of EVs. And also the Delhi Chief Minister also launched the odd even schemes as a traffic rationing measure in Delhi to reduce the burden in Delhi road. As we know that Delhi has a largest crowd in according, if we see, according to a traffic survey. Next slide, please. The next, Delhi government has developed the biodecomposer solution under the guidance of USA Agriculture Institute. Biodecomposer means which decompose the organic materials such as remains of dead organism. It includes the bacteria and fungi. This solution will be provided to the farmers of the Delhi and spread on their farmlands by the Delhi government without the farmers to be bear the cost of the same. In the next two images, you can see the actual working of people are talking about the biodecomposer. Next slide, please. Next major step is the formation of anti-smoke guns. These anti-smoke guns are situated at the construction site. Over 10 anti-smoke guns have been installed for the dust control. The next one is to control this air pollution in city. The Delhi government also setting up the smoke tower at the Connaught Place, which will distribute the clean air in the national capital. Connaught Place means the business of places situated in one particular area. Next slide, please. The next step taken by the Delhi government is against the thermal power plant. As we know, the thermal power plant not only yield the air pollutant but also some other harmful pollutant. So already Delhi government has shut down the 2 thermal plants in the city and also appealed to the other state to shut down 11 thermal power plants around Delhi. Apart from all that, Delhi government also takes the help of the digital world. They made an app called as Green App. There is a war room to monitor all the anti-pollutant measure as also being set up in it. The major, the Delhi, the best benefit of this app is the daily reports will be personally analyzed by the CM Arvind Kejriwal. So it is a main benefit of this app to the whole the Delhi city. So that's all. Hope you will get the useful information. Now the next part will take over by the Gayatri. Thank you.
And
Good
at the
afternoon, ma'am.
good afternoon. At the base, what you are written, Vivek Sripat Nagnath, you are supposed to remove it. The one who has prepared it, your group member's name should be there. What does it indicate? All this presentation is done by Nagnath sir, not by you. So remove it completely. Otherwise, put your name one on one's name, on second another name, etc. like that. But remove this before sending it to me for the after the presentation is over. Do it that. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
His name should not be there. The one who has done it, his name should be there. Huh? So on each 1 or 2 slide, one member's name should be there from your group, not Nagnath sir's name. Okay, chalo, continue.
Okay, so like everybody on the planet, Delhi too witnessed a dramatic effect of lockdown. From March 28 to May 18, the pollution in Delhi reduced drastically and the AQI was in satisfactory category. From May 18 to June 5, it was in moderate category. So like at an average AQI of 63.8, August was the cleanest month of the year in terms of air quality. There were 4 good air days in August, the highest in any month since 2015. However, by the October end, the air turned severe again, raising concerns among health experts about its impact on the coronavirus patients. Next slide. So according to the CPCB, the city recorded 10 severe air days this November, the maximum number in the month in 4 years, largely due to the lesser precipitation and large-scale stubble burning. Pollution levels on Diwali this year and the day after were the maximum in the last 4 years. A ban on firecrackers. Next slide. So these are the references that we used. Next slide. Next slide. So, in conclusion to this, these were just some mechanical improvements in air quality that didn't really reflect structural change and went away once activities resumed. So, the government of Delhi has done a lot in the last 10 years. More still needs to be done, though. The already existing measures need to be strengthened and magnified to a larger scale. Also, the government efforts alone are not enough. Participation of the community is crucial. Therefore, all those who play a role in modifying the environment in any way um, need to contribute to safeguard people's health by controlling everything. Thank you.
Yes, very nice presentation. Now give me the authority of host. Very nice
Yes, ma'am.
presentation, but next time, even if the slides are more, please take care. It's a request. Please take care that many slides you will just display, you will not read it, because many a times matter may be very good and you want to bring it to our notice. That is a good idea, but because if you will start reading it, it will take more time. If you want to project more information, always keep a practice that many data you just display it for 1 minute or 2 minutes and just go ahead. Not 2 minutes, 1 minute, and let everyone read it. Means the one who is sitting in front of you, and let that to conclude. So that will be the best practice. And again, for references, as I have told you, don't give the references of the newspaper and don't give the references of the websites or Google sites. Please try to read at least one or two journal which are there,
Yes, ma'am.
scientific journal available, and from that try to get the information, or books on air pollution. Now next time we are strictly going to finish it in 1 hour, which is given, so everyone will get hardly 6 to 7 minutes. So please, even if the slide will be more, and next time you are going to speak on the same line as for that, for the wastewater management, the same ideas, the case study you have to take, the causes for that, effect of that, and something more from your pocket, and the references, let me check at least one or two references from the journal books. So please take care that I want everyone to be scoring 19 out of 20. That is my request. Okay, now next group, to whom should I give the rights? Tell me.
Ma'am, Priya Chaudhary.
Priya Chaugule, 72. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Nita. Priya Chaugule. Chalo, I have given you the rights. Now you are the host. Present the screen.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, is the screen visible?
Yeah, visible. Time limit, as you know, the
Yes, ma'am.
same time limit is there, 6 to 8 minutes, so that you will get familiar to present it in a given time. You will not extend it. Many slides where you think that no explanation needed, just display it for 30 seconds or like that. Chalo, start.
Okay, ma'am.
Start
Good
now.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
I will be leading group 5 for this presentation. And here
Please
are
be
the
louder.
members.
Please be louder.
Yes, ma'am. I'll be leading the group 5. And here we have taken Pune as our topic for case study. As we know, air pollution in India, growing public health concern around the world, but especially in India, we have air pollution. So, taking Pune as the topic, Pune is one of the largest and fastest growing cities in the world in India, with almost around 7 million people. And Pune ranked among the polluted cities. It's almost in first 50s of the world. And PM10 and PM2.5 are frequently monitored in Pune. This is one on the right hand side. We have one chart of Pune with the pollutants. And why is Pune polluted city? Is as it experiences moderate air quantity, but almost around 7 months of the year. But in 3 months, it has unhealthy sensitive groups with 2 months of unhealthy level. So now I hand over to Harshal for the causes of air pollution.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Myself Harshal Deshpande, and I will be explaining various causes of air pollution with respect to the city of Pune. Let's first of all look at this pie chart here. This pie chart explains the various sources of PM 2.5 particles, which means particulate matter of size 2.5. As you can see, dust, industries, and transport occupy major chunk of this pie chart. And below that, the comparison between a human air and PM 2.5 molecules and PM 10 molecules is given. Next slide, please. So first source of air pollution in Pune is the burning of various fossil fuels. Most of air pollution takes place due to the burning of fossil fuels such as coal, oil, gasoline to produce energy for electricity and transportation. This fuel, when burnt, induce various harmful gases such as carbon monoxide and various nitrogen and sulfur oxides. These gases are very hazardous to human health. Next slide, please. Hello.
Yeah.
The second reason is industrial emission. Industrial activities in Pune emit several pollutants in the air that affect the air quality more than we can even imagine. Industrial pollution is perhaps the worst problem that has been faced by 21st century throughout the world. City of Pune is not barred from it. In this, industrial pollution effects associated with our health can range from irritation in our eyes and throat to various breathing issues as well. At times, these problems can even be chronic. Next slide. Third reason, the wildfires. These photos are from area of Baner in Pune. As you can see, this wildfire caused a lot of trouble for the citizens living in nearby areas, as it emitted various carbon-based gases into air, which cause breathing issues for many people. Next slide, please. Fifth reason is microbial decaying process. These images are from the Mula Mutha River in Pune. As you can see, the growth of algae here, it's at very large extent. This algae, when decomposed, it releases various hydrocarbon gases such as methane, etc., and carbon monoxide and hydrocarbon into nature as well. So this is one of the main reason as well for air pollution. The sixth and very important reason is the various construction sites in Pune. Okay, transportation. There is no denying that vehicle pollution is the major contributor to air pollution, especially in urban cities. Lack of efficient public transport service has been a key problem related to vehicular emission in the city. Hinjewadi has humongous traffic issues with consummate pollution. It continues to attract people with well-paying employment opportunity. Around 2.5 lakh employees travel on daily basis on this area, in this area. Next slide, please. The construction sites. As we know, Pune is one of the most rapidly evolving cities. Large number of construction sites are seen here to cater ever-growing number of population efflux that the city has observed in the past 2 decades. These construction sites are responsible for significant portion of PM10 molecules, which mainly include dust particles. Okay, that's it from my end. To further continue the presentation, I would like to invite Priya.
Okay, so we don't specifically have any case study for Pune, but yes, the main issue here is vehicle pollution. Like according to Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology, the data, the city's air pollution has increased by 35.7% since 2010, and the percentage of pollutants in air from vehicle emissions has increased a lot. Experts almost have blamed the growing number of vehicles and also the absence of efficient public transport systems. So the reasons mostly for vehicle high rates of vehicle emissions include poor fuel quality, fuel adulteration, improper traffic management, and inadequate transport systems. So on the right, you have the correlation of air quality and vehicles of Pune city. So like as the vehicle number of vehicles are increasing here, the quality is also decreasing day by day. I hand over to Atharva for effects of air pollution.
Yes, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, Atharva.
Hello. So we all know about the effects that greenhouse gases, atmospheric level of carbon dioxide, the most dangerous and prevalent greenhouse gas are the higher level ever recorded in Pune. Uh, greenhouse uh, greenhouse gas level are so high primarily because humans have released them into the air by burning fossil fuels. And today climate changes in terms of scientific use of describing the complete shift driven by the greenhouse gas uh, concentration uh, that and now affecting our planet weather and climate system. Smog effect. The smog effect or their effect happens when there is a kind of dark fog concentrated over the cities and fields. That fog is load of pollution and uh, can be of two types: sulfur smog and photochemical smog. Uh, Both dangerous and harmful to the health. Uh, Both types of smog and consequences of industries are urban action. However, sulfur smog has its own mainly in use of coal in industry. Next slide, please. That has been acid rain. Harmful gases like nitrogen oxide, sulfur oxide are released into the atmosphere during the burning of fossil fuels. The effect of acid rain combining with the other environment uh, and the planet and the plants uh, of global warming with increased temperature worldwide and increase of sea level and melting of ice, colder region and icebergs already significant to and warming of the climate system in hello hello
Hello.
Yes.
next slide.
Yeah.
Depletion of ozone layer. Ozone depletion gradually sinking the earth ozone layer in the upper atmosphere causes by the release of chemical compounds containing gases chlorine and bromine from industries and other human activities. Studies demonstrate the increase of UVB rays causes a higher risk like skin cancer, plays a major role in manipulating the uh, then, respiration and heart problems. An effect of air pollution are alarming. They are known as the to create the several respiration and heart conditions like asthma, chlorine, bronchitis, emphysema, etc. Next slide, please.
So now Amay will take over.
I
Or he's
will.
going to explain remedial measures.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes.
Here are some remedial measures of air pollution. Pune is making effort to reduce traffic congestion and near roadway air pollution by prompting non-motorized transport. Recently, the city has begun the process of securing 500 electric buses and procured 8,000 bicycles with the goal of eventually making 20,000 such cycles available. It is also improving local street design by building cycle tracks. To curb waste burning, the city has banned open dumping practices and has adopted 20 biomethanation plants that help to reduce trash burning and polluting emissions from landfills and generate clean energy. Here are some more measures. Renewable fuel and clean energy production. The most basic solution for air pollution is to move away from fossil fuels, replacing them with alternative energies like solar, wind, and geothermal. Second, energy conservation and efficiency. Producing clean energy is crucial, but equally important is to reduce our consumption of energy by adopting responsible habits and using more efficient devices. Third, eco-friendly transportation. Shifting to electric vehicles and hydrogen vehicles and prompting shared mobility, that is carpooling and public transport, could reduce air pollution. Fourth, green building. From planning to demolition, green building aims to create environmentally responsible and resource efficient structures to reduce their carbon footprint. Now I hand over to Priya.
Thank you, Amay. These are some of the references, actually, the links. But next time, ma'am, we'll check the books for this. And the wrap up, like we had an introduction of Pune, like why Pune is polluted. Then second, we had causes of Pune, like transportation, construction sites, and major cause of pollution also vehicles, and the effects of Pune, including greenhouse gases and global warming. The remedial measures included almost green buildings and using public transportation, and that's all. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, but references?
Ma'am, references, these links actually, we didn't know
Again,
the thing is.
same you did.
Yes,
No
ma'am.
link. Please share the journals
Okay, ma'am.
references or
Journal
the
next time.
bibliography next time. Otherwise, you will lose the marks. Huh?
There are some
Yeah.
generals in here, ma'am. NRDC, org, and
All yes. Okay, I'll give the marks to you. Now today no need to take the attendance because last time you have given the attendance, na? Have you
Yes,
given?
ma'am.
Okay. Give me the. Yeah, disabled my screen sharing. Please give me the right. Please give me the right.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Okay. So everyone, next time stick to your timing, not more than 6 to 7 minutes, I should say, so that we'll finish and we'll finish the discussion. And if some suggestions are there, same point you are going to discuss about the wastewater management. Huh?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Bolo.
Ma'am, could I know why we got 18?
Maximum limit is 18, that is why. But
Ma'am, वो
if
ऊपर
you
वालों
will
को
write, if you will write references correctly.
मैम हम लोगों ने references भी दिए हैं. I can show you proper book journals that we have given
Okay.
in the references.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, chalo. No dispute. So, but next time I will not. Huh? I want
Yes, ma'am.
proper journals. Huh? Journal ka name,
ma'am.
authors ka
You can get
name,
it one day.
page number, etc., etc. Huh?
Yes, ma'am. We've already done that. I'm sending you it after the class immediately.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Only
so
the leader
we can
will
get it one
send.
day.
Only the leader will send, not everyone. Huh? Please
Yes,
take
yes.
care. Huh? Okay.
Ma'am, so
So,
maximum 19,
huh? Yeah,
maximum we
out
can
of
score is
20,
19.
out of 20.
Okay. Is there no way that we could get 20?
No, because maximum out of 25, you could score 22.
Okay.
That is the limitation given. No one
Actually,
will
since
get
we
about
believe that
22. So even if I will give all 20, 20, it will carry no importance, because finally we have to drop it down to, when the total is done, to 22 out of 25. Please be with me.
Okay.
I am not going to spoil your career or one way or other way. Please believe. And no one, not me, no one else also. Please be sure.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. I'll end up the
Thank you,
video.
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Acha, bye.
Ma'am, while sending the mail, excuse me,
Yeah.
ma'am,
Bolo.
while sending the mail, what like heading will send and write and send it? Like what all do
Yes.
we mention?
My
while
mail
sending?
ID is MANASI. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
MANASI, all small letter, dot Ghamande, GHAMANDE.
Ma'am, and what about the subject? Like what we'll write there and send you
Subject will
with the
be
attachment?
EWES presentation on air pollution. H3 batch, roll number 66 to 70, like that. Subject will be
Okay, ma'am.
EWES presentation on air pollution, roll number 66 to 70. Sure? Shall I leave now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.